This clamp looks like the cotton clamp, but it has different functions. It's called Bale Clamp. Bale Clamp can efficiently and economically handle any type of the baled products, including cotton, rags, flax, and recycled clothing. Okay, let's have a close look. There are two popular types of Bale Clamp. One is purple Bale Clamp. Purple Bale clamps are normally designed to carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, or 8 Bale units at a time. Sometimes the same clamps are also used to handle thinner bales and non-unitized bale sheets. Another one is for recovered material, like waste paper, which is collected from the consumers, then compressed into bales and transported to the pulp factory. Waste paper bale handling is generally harsher than any other bale handling operation, and the attachment often needs increased protection against wear and tear. Of course, whether you are handling any baled goods, here can offer a solution.